Hi, I'm Sean with Maneful. I've been making drinks at home for over a decade. And over the course of those years, I have bought a lot of cocktail recipe books. And the more that I read those books, the more I realized they're not really designed with the home bartender in mind. So here at Maneful, we decided to fix that. And we created Fundamental Cocktails for the Home Bartender. Fundamental Cocktails is a recipe card deck with 52 great cocktail recipes. This is heavily curated with no filler. So instead of having 200 recipes, only 20 of which you're going to want to make, this is 52 great cocktail recipes, all of which you're going to want to make. It has all of the classics from a wide range of base spirits, and we've tested all of the different recipe variations and chosen the best one for you. We've included a lot of really interesting features for home bartenders, first of which is this flavor profile system. So for every single one of these drinks, we've identified how refreshing, how potent, how sweet, and how bitter it is. And we've also included some descriptive terms about what it tastes like. So you can actually understand what the drink is going to taste like before you make it. So you're always going to pick the right drink for the occasion. Now on the back for the bartender, we've included illustrated instructions on how to make the drinks. This is really great for two reasons. The first is we show you the tools that you're going to need to complete that drink. Nothing is worse than starting a drink and then realizing halfway through you don't have what you need to finish it. We also make it easy to instantly see how many steps it's going to take to make that drink. So if you've had a tough day at work and you really don't feel like making a complex drink, just take a look, see how many steps it is, move on to the next one. Now, in addition to providing you 52 great cocktail recipes, we've also provided you with guidance on how to build your home bar. My bar behind me took me over a decade to make, but with our guidance, you can get this done in just a few short weeks. So we've taken all 52 cocktails and we divided them into 4 different bar levels. And then for each of those bar levels, we provided you a shopping list on all the ingredients you're going to need to make those cocktails. So you can take this shopping list to the store and you can gradually build the home bar of your dreams. Now, you might be asking yourself, why cocktail recipe cards? Why not just buy a recipe book? Well, recipe cards are a way more fun and functional way of making cocktails. It comes in this beautiful packaging. So it's gold foil, illustrated instructions that are really engaging. The cards are water resistant, so you don't need to worry about spilling after you've made your third cocktail of the night. It's great for parties because you can hand them out to your friends and ask them which cocktails you want to make, or you can just randomly pick. And also it allows you to sort all of the cards. So you can sort them based on what your favorites are or based on what ingredients you have. A lot of care and attention was put into making this the perfect product for home bartenders, regardless of whether or not you are just starting out or you're already a pro. And so go out, buy a deck for your friends, and start making drinks at home.